Today I am going to cover the XPath by text function. So in Selenium we have a types of XPath called as absolute XPath, relative XPath, XPath by attribute. So these are the videos I had already covered. So today I am going to cover the XPath by text function, and and we have the types called as XPath by contains function, traversing in XPath, independent, dependent, and XPath by group index. So in this video, I am just going to cover the only for XPath by text function. So why we are using the XPath by using the text function means, see, whenever there is no attributes, so we should go for XPath using the text function. Okay, if attribute is matching with a more than one element, or if the attribute is not present, then we can identify the element using its a text. I'll just to show you the how do you identify this XPath by text. So for example, this is the syntax. Okay, so while writing the text function XPath, you should aware of the this is the syntax. So double forward slash and tag name text function equal to text value. So one more options also available. So double forward slash tag name, and you have to indicate a dot and then equal to the text value. So for example, I just showing over here for your understanding. So this is an example. I just given the double forward slash and the tag name is I have given for the div, and text same thing, open the bracket and text function and then equal to the value text value I have given for the in single quote. We need to uh, add over the here the login. So let me go to the browser. I will just show you the here the functionality web element called as Gmail images are there. Okay, just right click on the Gmail. Okay, go to the inspect. Okay, here you will find the, see, first a tag name called as A is the tag name over here. Okay, here I have attributes, attribute name, attribute value. Try this one. So if it is not working, okay, then directly go ahead for here we have option called as text function. Okay, text value is there. Directly go ahead for write the XPath of this. So what I will do, I'll just keyboard, in the keyboard you can tap the just press on Control F. You will find the, see, option over here, see, find by string or selector or XPath. So once you are in the keyboard, Control F, you will find this one. Okay, so what I will do, I'll go to the Gmail option over here. So I will be find this one. Just I am just copying this text. So here I have tag name called as A. Okay. Then directly I have to write the text equal to in the single quote. Okay. Here you will find the one of one. That means our XPath is correct. Okay. Then let me open to the Eclipse. So see, I had already written the I have created on the class name. So I had already written this script. Just I will directly write the XPath. So I am kindly suggesting you have to refer the previous videos. You will understand how to set the system property. And this is for the driver key, and this is the where our driver is Chrome driver is existed. So I have just given dot of soft and then Chrome drive.exe. That means, so I have created one folder. So inside my folder, this Chrome drive.exe file is located. Just what you do is right click on it, go to the properties, and then you have to add this. Okay. Otherwise, you can add entire location. Okay, yeah, you will understand. You have to refer the previous videos. You will then only will understand. I am directly jumping into the writing the XPath of text functions. So driver dot find element by dot. So Okay, XPath. Here the string XPath expression. Select it. Okay. Then so I go to the browser. Whatever here it is working. This is one of one. I'm just copying this XPath and just adding over here. Okay. Now what I will do, I will create one local variable for storing into ELE. Now just create local variable, click on it. Okay, now ELE dot, just I'm clicking that link option. Okay, save it as, then go to the run and I'm going to run the script. So now the Chrome driver was started successfully, and then it is loading this page and then entered, and then it is going to the Gmail. It is going to click. Yeah. So this is our XPath is working fine. Okay. I have a Gmail link over here. Directly it is clicked. Okay. I will going to show you one more example. So what I will do, I will go to the here images are there. Okay. This is also text function. Okay. I will do control left and we will find the, see here. This is also one of one. Instead of function, I will do just I am going to add dot. See, this one is working. So like that you have to work on the text functions. Try to write your own XPath instead of using any other tools. Let me, for example, I will show you many examples how you have to identify this element, whether it's a text function or any other function. So like that. So I'll just show to you. See, this is a, okay. Here, see, these all are the text functions. Make it as a control F. You have to identify the tag name. Here is a tag name of A. See, here the tag name. Sorry, this is a text functions. So tag name over here A. Okay, then write it text equal to, in the single quote, close this one. It is not identifying. Let me, I'll show you one more example. There are 337 A tags are available. This is a one of one. So like that you have to identify the text function. Okay. Uh, yeah. This is what I have done for the XPath using the text function. Kindly subscribe this channel. More